Good morning to everyone. Dear students, in this class we learnt about this is the lactose, one of the example for disaccharide, and it is present in the mainly cow milk and also in the human milk. In the cow milk 4 to 6% of lactose is present, and in the human milk 5 to 8% of lactose is present. This is the molecular formula which upon hydrolysis, this lactose which upon hydrolysis it gives the mixture of glucose and galactose. It means the lactose contains two monosaccharide unit. The monosaccharide unit is glucose and galactose. Okay, this is the galactose. This is the glucose. Okay, here water molecule is removed in between the C1 and C4 carbon atom. Okay, this is the glycosidic linkage. That should be the lactose. The glycosidic linkage is formed between the C1 and the C4 carbon atom. Next is polysaccharides. It contains more than two or three monosaccharides units. That is, main example is starch. It contains n number of glucose. It contains n number of glucose units. The partial structural formula of starch is determined, and it is mainly present inside the plant as a storage material, and it consists of two components, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose contains D-glucose. It has 200 to 1000 glucose, and amylopectin contains 2000 to 3000 glucose. Next, we will move on to the structure of amylose and the structure of amylopectin. Here, structure of amylose is, we know that this is the glucose is the monosaccharide unit. Okay, alpha D glucose, this is, and H OH, next H OH, then H CH2OH. Okay, this is the alpha D glucose. I already told you that there will be how many n number of, n means 200 to 1000 glucose unit should be present. Okay, so that's why this will be the HOH. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. OH, then OH, H, next H, OH, H, CH2OH. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this will, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom is there. The glycosidic linkage between the first and the fourth carbon atom, and in that the removal of water molecule should be taking place. Okay, this H2, sorry, this H, this will be the O. Okay, one of the H from this side, here this side, this H. Okay, then it forms the, we know that it forms linear structure. You have to know about that linear structure, straight chain ಅಲ್ಲಿ formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Then you have to write here the structure of amylose. This is one of the glucose unit, and this is also one of the glucose unit. Okay, and here the glycosidic linkage between the C1 and C4, and again all atoms are same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ here also it forms the glycosidic linkage. It means that should be bonded with the other glucose unit, and here also it will form the another glycosidic linkage between the other glucose unit, because I was told you in the last class it has 200 to 1000 glucose units, so that's why the linkage will be possible, and that linkage that should be possible in the C1 and C4 carbon atom. Okay, one of the C1 carbon atom and other C4 carbon atom in the glucose unit. This is the structure of amylose. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ. You have to understood that this is OH ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ amylose. Okay, next we will move on to the structure of amylopectin. Next, structure of amylopectin. Okay, and here also the monosaccharide unit is glucose. Okay, and in that here there will be no straight chain. This is branched structure should be formed. Okay, in the straight chain the glycosidic linkage between the C1 and C4, and in the branched chain C1 and C6 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ C1 ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ C4 ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು C6 ಜೊತೆ ಆದರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ OH CH2OH. Okay, this is the one of the glucose unit, and another glucose unit, and here also n number should be using, because we don't know how many number of glucose unit are glycosidic linkage formed. Okay, around 2000 to 3000. Next, this is HOH ಈ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ HOHನ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ HOH ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದೇನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು OH ಗ್ರೂಪು ಮತ್ತು ದಿಸ್ದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೈಲೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್, you have to count it 1 2 3 4. Okay, and here this will be the 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ದ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ H. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ then this form the amylose structure also, this is called it as, and the glycosidic linkage between the C1 and C4 carbon atom. Carefully you have to observe. Again in that you have to write it HOH CH2OH. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ C1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ C4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. C1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ C4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ OH CH2OH H. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. this OH in the carbon atom of 6th carbon atom, this OH form the glycosidic linkage between the first carbon atom. Okay, glycosidic linkage between the first ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 6th ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಂಚೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ glycosidic linkage, and in that this will form the CH2O. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಮೈಲೋಪೆಕ್ಟಿನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ HOH ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ C1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಈ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ 6th ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ amylopectic structure. Okay, here this H and OH should be removed and it forms the glycosidic linkage between the first and 4th carbon atom. Okay, next is here this will be the formation between the this another ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 6th ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು. ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ N ನಂಬರ್, ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 6 ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 6 ಮಧ್ಯೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಮೈಲೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೈಲೋಪೆಕ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. Next thing is partial structure of cellulose. Okay, this is also one of the polysaccharide unit. Here it means cellulose, it is a polymer, it is a polymer, comma, which is connected by large number of glucose molecule. Okay, here in this beta D glucose is using. Okay, in the last it means amylose and amylopectin, the alpha D glucose is used, but here beta D glucose is used. Okay, and also here 300 to 3000 glucose molecule is present in the amylose and amylopectin. Amylose has a 200 to 1000, this amylopectin is 300, how much, 2000 to 3000. Here 300 to 3000 should be used, and this cellulose is not present in the animal, but it cannot be present in the human body. Sorry, here cellulose is present in animal. Cellulose is present in animal, okay, but not in the human body. Okay, animal, so it cannot be digested by humans. Because why cellulose is not present in the human body, it cannot be digested by humans, since cellulose is present in animals, because they can easily digest cellulose. Okay, so this is all about the cellulose. You have to know about that. It is a polymer. It means more number of monomer unit or monosaccharide unit is attached, and which is connected by large number of glucose. That glucose is beta D glucose. 300 to 3000 glucose molecule is present. So cellulose is present in animal because it can easily digested, but it does not present in the human body because it does not easily digested in the human beings. The structure of the cellulose is, this is the structure of cellulose. This is 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. In the amylose, what, 1 to 4 linkage. Amylopectin 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 linkage, but here in the cellulose 1 to 4 glycosidic linkage. You have to observe this. This is the structure of beta D glucose. Here you have to observe this. The OH is present in the upper side, but in the amylose and amylopectin, the OH is present in the lower side. So it is alpha D glucose and this is beta D glucose. Okay, and in that the glycosidic linkage between the C1 and C4, here you have to give a number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here the one of the hydrogen atom from the C4 and OH atom from the C1, that is removed. It means minus H2O. Okay, it forms the glycosidic linkage between the C1 to C4. Okay, this is the structure of cellulose. It should be N number. N number ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 300 to 3000 should be present. This is all about the partial structure of cellulose. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ N ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆದು ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ cellulose. Now you get the point. This is amylose and amylopectin partial structure. Amylose, it is a alpha D glucose are bond through the glycosidic bond, that is bond between the C1 and C4, and it contains 15 to 20% of starch and water soluble. Okay, this will be the amylose will be the water soluble and linear structure, straight chain alli irutte. 200 to 1000 glucose is present. Okay, then amylopectin, that is alpha D glucose are bonded through the glycosidic bond and it contains around 80 to 50% and this is water insoluble. Okay, and it has a branched structure and it has say 2000 to 3000 glucose molecule. The glycosidic linkage between the C1 and C4, that forms the linear structure, and C1 and C6, that forms the branched structure. Okay, and the structure of amylose is here. This is the structure of amylose. 2 glucose molecule is there. You have to carefully observe the OH, first carbon atom and fourth carbon atom. In the first carbon atom OH is removed and in the fourth carbon atom H is removed. ಎರಡು separate molecules ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, then removal of water molecule and it forms the glycosidic linkage and it is n number. Why we are using n number? Because more number of glucose molecule should be added. We cannot show that structure, so that's why they are writing n number, and also they show the partial structures only. Okay, next, this is the structure of amylopectin. This is same as it is, first one is what? Same as it is in the amylose structure. After that, by using that structure, one of the glucose molecule is attached to this structure and in that sixth carbon atom of OH group and first carbon atom of H group is removed. It means water molecule is removed and it forms the what? Glycosidic linkage between the 1 to 6. This is the sixth carbon atom and this is the first carbon atom. Okay, I think ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Now you get the point. This is the structure of what? Amylopectin. Very very important. They will ask in your exam, write the structure of amylopectin or polysaccharides, whatever it may be. Next, last one is partial structure of cellulose and it is a polysaccharide or polymer, whatever it may be, and it has a beta D glucose, so that's why OH group is in the upper side. Okay, then it is present in the animal body and not in the human body. This is the structure of cellulose and the glycosidic linkage between the first and fourth carbon atom. Okay.